I got bad news, guys. I broke my
Broke my
hammer.
hammer last week.
Just look at it. Things happen when you swing that thing. But I got a better idea. So I'm gonna
You need
take
to
some
make a new
rebar,
handle. Gonna take some
slide
rebar,
it on through,
put it on
weld it
through,
together, and put a new
weld
handle
it,
on it.
make a wood sleeve for it.
First, I'm gonna file it down because the rebar is just slightly too big.
I know, I'm the best welder you've ever seen.
Here I just took a 1-inch dowel and drilled a hole through it, and I'll use that as the handle. I did coat the inside with gray JB Weld, so that handle will never come off. Here I start shaping the handle with the sander and making the grooves for your fingers. I'm using a torch to give a grain pop to it, but sadly, the piece I picked has no grain in it. Right now I'm gluing the steel. I love that I made the rebar at the bottom have a point. It's pretty much a pencil for wood.
Well, it's all done. Put on a gloss clear coat. Kind of like it. I kind of like the look.
Now this hammer can stay in my family for another generation. I'm extremely happy with it. Time to put it back in the tool bag and take it to work. Have a great day, guys.